Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make mango fruity. This is very simple method to prepare fruity at home. This fruity is prepared without any artificial flavors and preservatives. Take half cup of raw mango, peel the skin and take it. 2 cups of sweet mangoes and half cup sugar. In a pan, add all the ingredients together. This will give you exact flavor of fruity. For all these ingredients, we are going to add 2 cups of water and close it with a lid for 10 minutes in medium flame. After 10 minutes, our mangoes are perfectly cooked. Let's grind it to a fine paste and filter it. Now let's take a vessel and filter the paste which we have grinded. This will help in removal of any elements which are not grinded, so that when you drink, it will not come to your mouth. After filtering the paste, let's add 4 cups of water. Use a whisk and beat it well. This will avoid the lumps formation and you'll get perfect texture. Now our homemade fruity is ready. You can enjoy this summer with homemade mango fruity. Serve this chill, and if you like this video, please do like, share with your friends and family, and please do subscribe and click the bell button below. Thank you. Mango fruity, fresh and juicy.